How's work these days?
I barely made it here after managing to break through the difficult job market, but I'm still anxious these days.
Getting hired is my first priority, not doing what I love. So I push my dreams aside and just repeatedly complete unsatisfying tasks, enduring day by day.
COVID-19 shows no sign of ending. Even the dullest worker can sense that the company is not doing well. The moment I feel that my work is something that anybody else can do, there's a striking feeling that I might have to leave the company.
As if it's a sin to be born a woman. Quit your job when you get married. Quit your job when you get pregnant. In a small company like ours, parental leave means parental retirement.
In dramas, the male lead is always an executive of a large company, but in reality, it's close to impossible. So instead of aiming for the stars, people have started to enjoy their lives right now.
After finishing elementary school to getting a master's degree, I got a job. But I would spend less time working than the time I spent studying, as I'd like to retire before 50. On TV, they say we will live until 100, so please look after your health. Job for life is history. There is nothing to do. More precisely, there are no jobs. There is no job, so there is nothing to do. In 1995, futurist Jeremy Rifkin predicted in his book, The End of Work, advancements in technology will make work and jobs disappear. I thought it was a distant future, but after COVID-19, it's right in front of us. Untacked, remote first, smart factory, and fourth industrial revolution is familiar to us now. From simple tasks to knowledge labor, artificial intelligence and robots started taking human jobs without even working up a single drop of sweat. Traditional jobs, pure labor, are fragmented and replaceable at any time. The big wave of technological advancement brought the fear that even professionals can be replaced at any time. Aviation and travel industry, which had been growing rapidly, came to a standstill overnight. Despite the title of the world's fifth largest manufacturing powerhouse, people who worked their entire lives in large companies are leaving the company. Any ideas how many jobs have disappeared? How many will disappear going forward? Can the lost jobs be restored once we get out of this swamp of COVID-19? Fourth Industrial Revolution and COVID-19, forcing us to change. Human brain is replaced by artificial intelligence, and all contacts are forced to switch to untagged. Have you ever imagined this before? Companies put stability first in times of such turbulence. Therefore, companies that saw cost reduction and production boost cannot abandon their automatization equipments. Kiosks that replaced human and franchise hamburger restaurants is the start. There is no guarantee that any job today will still be there 30 years from now. The dream of job for life we were forced to let go is long gone. On the other hand, more and more people are looking for leisure in life as a reward. Remember this: the job for life that kept you safe is disappearing. These days, NJobber.
I was dreaming a dream that couldn't come true. Study hard, get a good job, save up, get married and buy a house, change my life around. But the bitter conclusion is that my company will not be responsible for my life. There are too many things I want to do. For me to dedicate my soul to my work just to see small numbers in my bank account. Okay, let's get N jobs instead. There are more and more N-jobbers between workers of age 20 to 40. What is an N-jobber? N stands for a prefix for multiple. Job literally meaning job, and the suffix er to mean someone who has multiple jobs. To make up for the insufficient salary from the main job, to pursue self-realization, some to explore a new field they were always interested in. If you look closely, there are many different reasons for having N-jobs. N-jobbers who go to work at the same time as leaving work. N-jobbers who wake up their sub-characters on weekends or holidays for a new job. There are also high-end N-jobbers who has a job but also run their own stores. World where your monthly salary is the only income has come to an end. Let's imagine then, what if there was another stable source of income aside from my job? First thing that comes to mind is a golden spoon. Forget about real estate rental income, which is only possible in a faraway land. What if I could create a system where money flows into my bank account without my labor? Money flowing into my wallet like a pipeline. We need to get out of the trap in which labor time and money must be exchanged. Build a pipeline that generates a steady income regardless of labor time. Income from system, not from labor. This will enrich our future and allow us to lead independent lives.
Network marketing revenue structure is just like this. Network marketing is a platform that connects the best supplier with numerous consumers. And the created added value is shared among platform owners and participants. If you compete with general distribution companies with high quality and low price products, you can gain tremendous value by adding connectivity, a unique advantage of network marketing.
Atomy is smart. The essence of which the concept of network marketing was born? Distribution to consumers providing good products at reasonable prices. We put this into practice, thinking we can be a sustainable company only by keeping this value. Atomy sells daily necessities, and the consumers of those necessities join Atomy as members. You can buy good quality products at a low price. How simple. It's even more surprising to learn what Atomy chairman Hungil Park said. Atomy prioritizes on providing good products at a low price to our members. Atomy prevents members from buying products unreasonably. Our message is, try it yourself, and if you like the product, recommend it to other consumers. As the consumer base that trusts and buys Atomy products grow, we are able to acquire or retain loyal customers. It also means that more businesses will be successful soon.
Provide good products at low prices for the consumers. Stable sales channels for partners to provide driving force for the development of better products. Various rewards for businesses, sequentially and step by step, through one marketing connected globally. Atomy puts the success of consumers, partners, and businesses first, and considers it the purpose, not the mean. What do you think about a company with your success as its purpose?